This is Alicia, and I'm going to do my May 2015 HorroBlock unboxing. So here it is. Finish opening it. And on top is a pop from Hannibal. It is a Will Graham pop. And the next item is an awesome t-shirt that says, "Welcome to Silent Hill." Awesome. Death is no escape. Very cool shirt. The third item in the box is a HorroBlock Short Film Festival 2015 DVD. It's an association with Rue Morgue. And there's the list of the short films that are on this DVD here in the back. The fourth item will be a flat of the creature. It says, "Not since the beginning of time has the world beheld terror like this." I don't know who made it. Canada made it. Alright, the next is a Weird Stats and Morbid Facts Rue Morgue Library book of weird facts and stats. Alright, and then the last is Rue Morgue magazine with the Human Centipede 3 on the cover, which I already watched. And then just in the card is what is in the box. On the back it says Silent Hill t-shirt, HorroBlock Short Film Fest DVD, Hannibal Funko Pop vinyl, Weird Stats and Morbid Facts, and a Rue Morgue magazine. So that is my HorroBlock for May 2015, and thanks for watching. Get a HorroBlock.